This account can no longer use WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. If your WhatsApp has been banned and you are facing so much problem to use WhatsApp, then this video is absolutely for you. So guys, let me just clear you out. This happened because when you send nudity and stupid stuff like sexually abusive stuffs and children, whatever things you have sent, for that only this happens. If don't happen, then watch the video till the end and then you can get back your account. Go to Google and then search for WhatsApp support. Okay, search it and the first website will be available. Just click on it, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. Here you can see phone number. Just click on this, and then here you scroll down and then select your country. Okay, first of all you have to select the country code. Here it is. Simply select India. I'm from India, so I'll just go for India. You can select your own country, and here you have to enter your phone number. So let me just enter a random number here. I'm just showing you. Actually I have already solved the issue, so I'm just showing you, okay, what you have to do. And then here, email address. Simply let me just click on email address. After clicking the email address, here you have to select Android, iPhone, whatever you use to WhatsApp in whichever phone or desktop, computer or anything. So I use in Android, so I will just go for Android. And after that, what you need to do, click on next option. Here you will get a message box. So simply what you need to do, just go to the description box of this video, and then there will be a telegram channel link. Just click on the link and then it will redirect you to the channel, and then you'll get this prompt here. Okay, just copy this and then copy from the telegram channel. Or if you don't have the telegram, then just comment me down below. I will definitely gonna share with you. And what you need to do, the next thing is that here you can see on the bottom your name. So you have to enter your name here. Okay, I just kept the gap there. And phone number, so you have to enter the phone number with the country code. Okay, so my country code is 91, so I will just enter this 91 plus, and after this I will send my number. Now click on next step. Here you can see, and also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a one thumbs up. Send question. Click on send question. Here you can see, just click on send question, and then it's done. Just wait for 24 to 48 hours. They will contact you. They will ask for a verification code or whatever, and then your problem will be solved. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.